From the first moment you set eyes on Tasik Biru, you would be amazed at how beautiful the lake is. Located just 40 minutes away from Kuching, Tasik Biru is one of the places that we have heard so much about. After purchasing our tickets, we went boat paddling around the lake. Several myths and legends have emerged over the years. Amongst the most popular ones are the legend of the Golden Tortoise, the Stone King, Three Monsters of Tasik Biru, World War II Arsenal, and the bus accident tragedy. Across the lake, you will be able to see the first ever floating chalet in Sarawak. At the opposite side of the lake, you will find a flight of stairs leading up to Roxy's Rock Cafe. Here, you can quench your thirst and purchase some snacks while enjoying the scenic view. You can also feed the fishes, go for a boat ride, cross the bamboo bridge, and visit the mini waterfall. Come and discover Tasik Biru.